channel Organized by Darcy, where we take the very simple and inexpensive and make it look so elegant. So today I'm participating in a collab hosted by Denise Jordan from This and That with Denise Jordan. Now Denise does these challenges or collabs seasonally, and this is the Winter Kitchen Vignette. So what she wanted us to do on a tray, of course, is, as in this case, to have a floral arrangement or some type of flowers. You can see I have an orchid here. And then she wanted us to have either a recipe or a cookbook or some type of wording. In this case, I have a cookbook, 101 Best Vegan Foods. And of course, the last item was to have a kitchen utensil. So I do have the spoon rest that I keep here on my island. So these are the three items that I have here on this island on this kitchen vignette. Now I hope you'll take the time to go over to see her channel, see the playlist that she has, watch all the videos, subscribe to the channels that you like, and of course I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel as well. That is if you have not already done so. And if you have, thank you so much. I'm so appreciative. Again, thank you for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you next time in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.